Hey guys, this is John at JeepsterMan. Just wanted to show you a lift kit we were working on today. This one here we're doing in-house. This is a 73 Jeep Commando and we just put a 2-inch lift kit on it. So this thing obviously has some ugly tires on it, we know that. But we just wanted to kind of show you the preliminary specs on what it lifted this thing up to. A lot of people complain that the Jeepster Commando and the Commando, that they almost look like they're two-wheel drive because they sit so low. Now, compound that with 50-year-old springs that have completely sagged out, they sit very low. So this one here is just a 2-inch lift, but it really raised this vehicle probably at least 3 inches because they were sagged out. And we still have these small, tiny donut-sized tires on this thing. So we're just gonna get a look at the video here. I'm just gonna show you the vehicle now that it's lifted up. Later on, we're gonna put some different tires on this thing. And I think we're gonna do some different wheels as well. But you know, you can see it lifted this vehicle up quite nice. I would say before this wheel well was all the way down around there. So we got probably about 3 inches out of this lift kit. With the 2-inch lift kit, most people, we recommend that they run a 31-inch tire. We really like the BFG because they give a nice squared shoulder to them instead of something that's real rounded looking. This looks like a car tire on this thing. But yeah, a lot of people run a 31-inch tire after this. They can do different wheels if they want to. This one we added disc brakes to it, so we're using some wheel spacers. But this is our 2-inch lift kit. You can find it either on Just Jeepsters site, or you can find it at JeepsterMan, thejeepsterman.com. You can email us, sales@thejeepsterman.com, or you can call 314-798-6462. We do offer a 4-inch lift kit as well. So if you got any questions, let us know, and thanks.